Hey, I'm John Coley with Lake Martin Voice Realty, and I sell real estate here on Lake Martin, but I get a lot of questions about where is Goat Island. It's a really popular landmark. The easiest way to find Goat Island, number one, is to download my app. It's free. It's called Lake Martin Voice. You go to your app store, download it, it's free, and then go to Fun, and then go to Landmarks, and then find Goat Island. If you share your location with the app, I don't do anything with your location, you'll see yourself as a little blue dot, and then you'll see Goat Island, and you can, along with a ton of other things, you just guide yourself right to it. Okay, but if you just want to do it the old school way and find it by boat, that's fine too. You need to know that that Goat Island is on the south side of Lake Martin, and it's near Martin Dam. So first of all, you just got to find yourself on the lake and get to the south side of the lake near Martin Dam. And so my two big landmarks for Goat Island are Martin Dam and Kalijah Bridge. And I'm going to swing around here later to show you this, but what you want to do is you want to get in your boat and you want to make sure that you can see Martin Dam on one side, and for me it's this way, and then Kalijah Bridge on the other. So if you're sitting in a spot where you can see both Kalijah Bridge and Martin Dam, Goat Island's gonna be right over behind you. So you see that little power tower, whatever that thing is right there? Goat Island is the big island that's right behind us. You can get in a spot right in the middle of this channel where you can see Kalijah Bridge on one side and Martin Dam on the other. All right, that's Kalijah Bridge in the distance. Another landmark are these power lines that go across the water right here, but Kalijah Bridge is way in the distance, and that is landmark number one. Landmark number two is Martin Dam. And that's Goat Island right there. Okay, another way to find it is to drive your boat almost to the dam. That's a pretty unmistakable landmark because you have power lines right there and there's the dam. Driving to almost get to the dam and then swing a right away from it, and then the island to your right, we're gonna swing around and show you. The island to your right is gonna be Goat Island, and there's lots of little cleared off spots, and you just ride with the island on your right until you get to see where you see all the signs, and there's probably some people there already too. Hey, as long as we're here, we might as well talk about some good rules of thumb for Goat Island. The number one rule of thumb is do not bring your dog, okay? Because the dogs chase the goats around, creates a bunch of confusion, and it's just not cool. So do not bring your dogs. Look, I love my dog too, but there are 880 miles of shoreline around Lake Martin. There's plenty of other places for your dog to do their business, so do not bring your dog to Goat Island. Another question a lot of people have is, can I feed the goats? Yes, they love to be fed. Do not bring cat food, do not bring dog food, do not bring corn or anything spicy, but they do love stuff like bread and chips. The favorite is Cheetos, but the people that own the goats and keep them up, they supplement them with regular goat food, I guess, that keeps them healthy. So you don't have to. If you want to bring some stuff, that's good to do too. Another question I get is, hey, is there a spot that I can put in my kayak or my paddleboard and paddle to Goat Island? The answer is no. If you're looking for like a public marina or something like that to launch from, the answer is no. I mean, there's plenty of private homes that are pretty close, but this is a really busy area for Lake Martin, so I would not advise. Anchor Bay Marina is the closest marina, and the Ridge Marina are pretty close. It'd be a pretty strong paddle through some of the busiest areas of the lake, so I would not advise it. Think of another way. All right, that's all from Goat Island. Again, my app has Goat Island and all kind of other different landmarks and islands and places to see on Lake Martin. So that's really the easiest way to do it, is to download my free app. It's called Lake Martin Voice. I sell real estate here full time. I make these videos for fun. If I can help you with real estate, my name is John Coley and I'm with Lake Martin Voice Realty. Thanks.